guys, so keep watching if you want to get ready with me and have a little inside scoop on how I do my hair and makeup.
You used to call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. And I know in that holiday.
Also, I'm using my fingers because it's much easier to blend everything out. Like, I prefer just like using my hands to blend my foundation. I'm starting with a like freshly washed face too, just so you know. I look so weird with my head up. I look like a peanut. See, it looks a little bit light. Z-brow.
You used to call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. And I know in the ever since I left the city,
Makeup, okay? So I am taking, I always use the MAC Pro. Nope, I lied. The MAC Match Master Concealer in 8.5. And since I'm like pretty tan, I need a darker color. And look, there's only a little bit left, so I'm gonna be ratchet and use my finger and get it out and contour my face because, like I said. So you're gonna start from this side. So this is what contouring is, friends. I feel like when my guy friends watch this, they're just gonna be like, oh my god. Like once, one of my guy friends was watching me do my makeup and he's like, holy shit, your face just changed. And then my friend's ex-boyfriend, well boyfriend at the time, was just like, you don't say that to girls, like you don't. And I was like, it's see, thank you, finger, my small little finger. Blend it out with this little powder brush. So I'm gonna start blending the crap out of it. And honestly, contouring is really, really amazing. And it's necessary. Very, very necessary. Okay, so now that the contouring is done, I'm going to let my hair down and I'm going to start doing like my hair routine. So let's do that. My arm is so sore because I got like shots. Okay, so I just brushed out my hair and it's wet AF. Oh my god. See, I look so. So the first thing I do is use the Curl Enhancing Smoothie by Shea Moisture, and I love this stuff, guys. Like, I used to not know what the hell to do to my hair and would actually cry out of frustration. But ever since I found this, look, I barely have any left, but it's amazing. So my hair is obviously straight right now, but I'm going to put this evenly into my hair. So let's just distribute that. Okay, so I'm gonna start scrunching because I brushed out my hair, so I'm gonna see everything. Okay, so after I scrunch and put that little product in, I am going to put in some mousse, and this mousse is by Suave Professionals, and it's volumizing. volumizing. Guys, I'm in a different location right now, obviously, but some of my other footage got deleted, but basically I just added the mousse in my hair and then I was pretty much done after I scrunched it in. But this is what it looks like after a few hours. So thank you for watching, and if you like this kind of video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, definitely subscribe to my channel. Don't be afraid to leave me some ideas for some other videos I should do or anything I should work on. I appreciate the constructive criticism. Okay, so hope you all have a wonderful day, and yeah, I'll see you soon.
I ain't sorry. I ain't sorry.